Before heading out to Bangkok, we found a ramen shop we really wanted to try. But we totally forgot to book ahead, and it was already fully booked that day. We found a cafe near the restaurant and grabbed a coffee first. Yep, we still decided to try our luck. Their dirty coffee was surprisingly good. Turns out, nobody cancelled their booking. The staff even told us the shop would be closed for the next 2 days. Luckily, the owner decided to extend the opening hours and asked us to come back at 3:45 p.m. So we decided to stroll around nearby. And right next door, the mall was hosting a little market fair. Honestly, we never thought we'd eat ramen in Thailand. Outside of Hong Kong and Japan, we've never tried ramen anywhere else. Looking back now, this turned out to be a pretty cool experience. No Name Noodle in Bangkok is actually Thailand's only Michelin Bib Gourmand ramen spot. Chef Shin, or Shin, runs this cozy 12-seat shop with a counter-style vibe, serving premium ramen crafted with ingredients flown in from Japan. He was super friendly and even let us film his cooking process. The staff were well trained, with clear teamwork and roles. Prep work and basic dishes were handled by the sous chef, while Shin himself cooked and assembled our ramen. The servers patiently explained the order of eating, the origins of the ingredients, and more. I ordered the signature kombusui sanshu tsuk soba with matsuri gozen. Basically it is cold dipping noodles paired with a wagyu beef and salmon roe rice bowl. The noodles had a deep umami from a blend of 3 types of shoyu. We also tried the Asari and Hot 810 ratio soba premium set. A clear salt-based broth with clams and scallops, light but full of flavor. Finally, their ice cream was a perfect ending. The red bean wasn't overly sweet, and the strawberry had real fruit chunks, super refreshing. It's actually a special flavor made for them by Guss Damn Good, one of Bangkok's coolest ice cream brands. After ramen, we went for a massage. This chain massage place was pretty good, clean, quiet, and the therapists had solid skills. Compared to Let's Relax, this place felt more low-key but still very professional. After the massage, we chilled back at the hotel for a bit. Then we headed out to explore the night market. This time we went to Jodd Fairs Ratchada, a trendy market with food stalls, fashion, and lots of local vibes. Back in the day, we'd eat non-stop at night markets, but not anymore. My wife didn't buy clothes for herself, but she picked a few pieces for me and even got a swimsuit for Agnes. We saw a temporary tattoo booth and thought it'd be fun to each get one, just to see Agnes's reaction later. We walked around for about an hour and then headed back to the hotel. Tomorrow, we're planning to check out Songwhat street art.